Right there.
Have you ever got a prank call and you're just like, damn, this is so bad.
Immature.
This is pointless.
Like fucking annoying.
I want you to know I'm that person who's wasting your time. You may think it's childish, right?
We think it's fun.
I have a legit reason, just because I like to piss your day off. I like to just piss your day off. You know what? I'm going to say stupid stuff that irks you.
Like
because
the laugh
it's
of the
funny.
night.
Because it's funny. I enjoy being the laugh of the night, okay? And I don't care if the IRS is going to come and take my cell phone away. Because I can handle myself.
I'm going to call the phone. She's going to call the phone company. You better not prank call people.
Hold up. Go on! Give me this! There's a car coming and we're hiding.
Sorry.
There's a random camera chilling. Came up and snatched that bitch. Is it coming right? I think it turned.
It turned. Okay, so
Wait.
anyway.
I see lights.
Go. So it's clear.
Clear. Move out. Anyways. So, I just want... Let's just redo this whole thing.
You're funny. Alright.